Hi guys, I'm Chinu from Chennai. I'm working in a software industry. Today we are going to talk about Java fundamentals. What a beginner, Java beginners. You just see this video, you will get an idea. Before going to Java fundamentals, we have to learn C, C++. Somebody will tell you, right? Don't learn C, C++ directly. You can come in Java, and I will help you to get a good knowledge in Java. Okay, and first of all, we need to know what is the language, Java language fundamentals. Okay, for example, you can go to our language. Okay, for your native language, you need to learn native language, something grammar or something, right? So we should learn Java language fundamental, and in long language fundamental we have a identifier and reserved words. You know what is identifier? If you are going to C or C++ or Java, we need to give some names of name of the class, name of the method. That is a name of a identifier, and reserved words. In we can discuss deep. Okay, you can we can discuss later these things. Okay, data types. In data types, we have a int character. We can discuss one by one component very briefly. Okay, and literals also we can discuss, and arrays also is very important. If you are going to interview, might be they will ask 10 question. Okay, in 10 question you will get a 5 question in a arrays program only. Okay, and types of variables, that is a global variable, instance variables, and static variable is there. What is a global variable, what is an instance variable, and what is a static variable? We can discuss these things very detailedly. Okay, and whereas methods, it is not most important. You can just learn this one also. It is if you are going to some big company, they will ask you this question. And most important in a Java language fundamentals, main method. If you are using C or C++, we have to use a void main, right? So in Java, we have to use a public static void main string arguments. Okay, we have written public static void main. In future videos, we can use a PSVM. Okay, you can just understand that is a public static void main, and we have to discuss command line arguments, and we can discuss these things. Okay, no issue for me. And if you are working on a one project, if you are working in a one project, we should follow some standards, coding standards. So that is also we can discuss it. Okay, and these are all the components for a language fundamentals, and it is most important. Okay, it is very important when you are going to learn Java. Okay, and I will give you a lot of lot of notes, and I will just teach you how to do these things. Okay, if you are a beginner, if you come to this channel, we can we can get a lot of things. Okay, if you don't know C, C++, also no problem. I will tell you, I can tell you, or I can help you to get a good knowledge in Java. And if okay, and if you have any issue, if you need any help, you just call me, and you just send me a mail. Okay, I will give you a mail in a description, and please support me and subscribe the channel and like button. Okay, share and subscribe the channel, and we can discuss each component. Okay, we can discuss each component one by one. Okay, we can discuss very deeply. Okay, this is most important when you are learning a Java. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you.